Hello. In the last video, we learned about the rise of renewable energy. In this video, we will look at new discoveries in renewable energy from simple devices used in daily life to the gathering of large data to make current discoveries work better. Finally, we'll talk about an exciting direction for the science of renewable energy. In the beginning of this course, we did a warming experiment with 2 jars which showed us how the Earth gets warmer when heat is trapped in the atmosphere. It was a simple project that helped us understand a very large idea. Well, a few engineers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, have also made a big discovery using low-tech or simple tools. An engineer is someone who designs and builds products, machines, systems, or structures. In this case, the engineers at MIT were trying to find a low-tech, or simple, way to boil water using solar power. They called their design a solar vapor generator. It used a simple device made of little more than a sponge, bubble wrap, and a couple of thin layers of material to use the sun to boil water. In addition to just boiling water for cooking, this design could be used as an inexpensive way to take the salt out of seawater, or as a simple way to sterilize medical tools. That means to make doctors' tools clean from live bacteria or other microorganisms. Scientists are not only trying to create new discoveries, they are also trying to find new ways to make old systems work cleaner and more efficiently. They can do this with data or information. For example, scientists are using motion sensors, devices that detect moving objects, on offshore windmills that are in the ocean. The sensors send data to the scientists about how strong the wind and waves are over a period of time. With this information, they can know when the wind is likely to be strongest, and they can make sure that the equipment is set for maximum efficiency. In some cases, this could mean they're able to get 20% more electricity from windmills that already exist. Where might scientists look next? Hydropower is one of the most common forms of renewable energy in places where there are rivers, because people can build dams. But what about oceans? As we discussed earlier, the oceans cover more than 70% of the planet Earth. They absorb the largest amount of solar energy, and they have the most predictable energy for motion due to its tides and waves. What if we could find a way to use some of that giant and predictable energy to create power? Maybe someday we will. Maybe you will discover the way to do it. In this video, we looked at new discoveries in renewable energy, from simple devices to the gathering of large data. And finally, we talked about an exciting direction the science of renewable energy might be heading in the future. Now let's meet a scientist who is discovering new ways to recreate renewable energy.